park, you can't turn both cups the same direction. Neutral, you can now turn, now you can pull the rear diff off.
No, you can't.
Dude, I just had this thing off. I had it off.
Oh yeah, get that screwdriver up in there.
Oh wait. Alright.
Yeah.
Okay. So what happened is parking pole parts will fall out. This is how you get it back together to reinstall in the diff. Shaft, spring, these pieces facing up. And take this piece so the part of the spring with the bend goes into the parking pole arm. You have fluid here in this hole and it's going to create a hydraulic problem in there. So get the brake clean that out. Make sure you get the oil off the shaft too. Shove it back in there. The other end of the spring that doesn't have the bend in it, fling it over this, just like that. So the arm should be basically sprung back to the case. Run this piece over, just like that. That's park, that's neutral. Park, neutral. You want it to be in neutral for the arm to clear the parking pole gear in the trans when you reinstall the diff. That's it.